All right, when you first get your new pack of Cosmo Glow wheels, they're gonna come with 4 wheels and then 4 spacers for each wheel. So here's your wheel and your spacer. The Cosmo Glow wheels come in 4 packs. You can mix and match the 4 packs, or you can get 1 8-pack of all the same color. Today for the install, I'm gonna be using the axle of the skate because it's what most people will have on them, but if you want an easier option, you can use a bearing press, which we now have on moxiskates.com. So for this, I'm gonna use our new Moxi mixtape bearings. I'm gonna take my first bearing and put it on my axle, press down, and then make sure I put my spacer and put my next bearing on the axle, push down, and then I'll take my nut and put it on the axle. I'm using the Y4 tool, and there we have it. The Cosmo Glow wheels come in 3 different colors. They come in white with rainbow and purple and green with blue glow. They are all available at moxiskates.com.